What's up, YouTube? Renan and Esteban here with All American Print Supply, and we got some big news.
Yes, that's right. We're kicking off the brand new year with a bang, and some of you already know we're having the biggest trade show of the year coming January 20 at the Long Beach Convention Center.
Are you talking about the ISS Impressions Expo 2022 right here in our own backyard?
You got it. The party starts Thursday with a special presentation from All American team, DTG and DTF, so you don't want to miss it.
But the fun doesn't stop there. The very next weekend, after the ISS trade show, we're having an open house at our California location in Buena Park, just down the freeway from the convention center. And we're gonna have a lot more to show you there.
Our long-awaited open house is finally here, and we definitely want to invite you guys to come join us.
That's right. We're gonna have the top direct-to-garment printers running full demos, such as the Epson F2100, the Big F3070, along with the new pre-sheet machine from EcoFreen, the Mr. T2 Pro.
Which we will also be showcasing the latest in directed film printing with equipment supplies, STS inks, and EcoFreen.
We are also debuting a brand new addition to our lineup. I'm talking about the FIP washer-dryer pre-treat system from Firebird for industrial level pre-treating on an entire garment in quantities unheard of. We're talking a single operator pre-treating 300 plus garments an hour.
Productivity and efficiency is the name of the game this year. And with that in mind, this is a great time to see our new automated t-shirt folding and bagging machine.
Come check out our all new line of exclusive heat press machines, the AA Prisma Press, available in a clamshell, swing away, and auto open option.
I mean, there's also gonna be so much more going on. So there's raffles, prizes, giveaways, discounts, refreshments. You don't want to miss this.
So mark those calendars. January 28th, 29th, our long awaited open house is finally here.
So get ready. Hope to see you guys there. And it's going to be definitely a show you don't want to miss.
See you at the open house.